Well, people have been under lockdowns because of COVID-19 since the past many months, and now everybody is waiting to go out and travel, waiting to take a break. Some are taking vacations, staycations and working from different locations, but a holiday is still on the cards for many. According to a research by Booking.com, the Indian travelers are going to now start looking at discounts and offers increasingly more than ever before, and that is how the future of travel will shape up. And this is of course mainly because of the financial overhang caused by COVID-19, also because of the uncertainty that COVID-19 has left people into, uncertainty related to finances, related to traveling, etc. So let's take a look at what this research that was commissioned by Booking.com reveals about how people are going to change their traveling and booking behaviors in the next few months, as and when restrictions lift and people can start going out and traveling. Well, according to the research, 70% of Indian travelers say that they will be more price conscious once they start planning trips. They are also saying that 64% of travelers are more likely to go and hunt for promotions and savings. Apart from that, 74% of travelers expect travel companies to support their future plans with discounts and promotions. So that is what the expectation is going to be from now on, that there will be more discounts, there will be promotions to encourage travelers to go out, and that is something going to be a key deciding factor from what we are understanding in the plans that people might make in the next few months. Now, apart from that, people are in fact willing to change their travel plans based on discounts. They are willing to take their dream destinations off their list and in fact go for any other destination that offers, better discounts and pricing. So 57% of Indian travelers are saying that they will opt for a discounted trip to a place that they wouldn't have otherwise chosen, rather than paying more for a dream destination of their choice. So a lot of changes going to come in even in the traveling pattern and decision making pattern of people. The other important point is that 62% of Indian travelers favor a trip that they can afford in the short term, rather than saving money for a dream trip which they are not sure that may or may not happen, considering the amount of uncertainty that's there because of the rising and falling COVID cases, because of the travel restrictions because of COVID cases that just come and go. So people are not at all sure of whether they can undertake their dream destination. They are willing to go for the short-term trips that they think will happen for sure. Now, apart from that, what travelers will also look at is that they will look for more flexibility from operators, from portals, etc., travel portals, etc. And around 77% of Indian travelers are saying that travel platforms need to add value by increasing transparency about cancellation policies, refund processes and trip insurance options. They need more clarity on these factors, and that is mainly because of the uncertainty that's there due to travel. Flexibility will also be on top of the mind, with 38% of travelers saying they will consider a refundable accommodation, and 36% want the flexibility to change their check-in dates without being charged any additional charges. So of course, these are the findings of the research by Booking.com. They've spoken to around 1,000 adults across India, those who are planning trips in the next 12 months or so. All of this of course depends on travel restrictions being lifted, but clearly Indians are going to be more careful about how much they spend on travel. They're going to be very watchful for discounts and offers, and we'll have to see if the travel industry can support these demands by travelers that may come in to revive and get back on track.